Tiger Shark L is an interbody spacer designed to be inserted into the lumbar spine through a lateral transpsoas approach. It's designed to address the effects of degenerative disc disease by restoring natural disc height and lordosis to the lumbar spine while fusion takes place. Creating Tiger Shark L was the perfect opportunity to take our unique VEO lateral access and interbody system to the next level by incorporating our BioBond organic structure to maximize fusion growth. The Tiger Shark L implant has a smooth bulleted nose and rounded edges for fast and easy insertion. Each interbody also includes very large anterior and posterior graft windows for excellent radiolucency and post-operative fusion assessment. This product offers a superior option for lateral interbody fusion. It incorporates our proven BioBond design. It's available in multiple sizes and footprints to meet your needs. It's easy to insert and provides excellent radiolucency. We're very excited about this product and the opportunity to pair it with our unique VEO lateral access system, because this means that we'll be giving our surgeon users the best option for lateral interbody fusion.